Ford Flex, huh?
Yep.
You had a good time last night or what? Oh, really?
Yeah, the dog passed away.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that last night.
You know your door clip?
No.
No? We need to get that too for you, huh? That's it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay.
By the way, the door is open.
It's open? Okay.
Yeah.
So basically what I do is I do the key off the door lock. And then we'll, so I need to figure out the cuts basically.
Oh, okay.
So I'll pick this, read it, and then cut a key off of that, and then.
It's a special tool.
Yeah. I bought this. This is my original one. They were made really, really well. I've never had to replace it. At least so far. Hopefully I won't lose it now, you know.
So. You've been doing this for how long?
Well, I'm a locksmith for about 10 years. So, all right. Got this Ford Flex. Hey, what year was your car again? 2012? Okay. Oh, did you really? Yeah, we can do it. But your door and ignition were the same key, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's cut this key. Just kill my key code. 00946. Oops. All right, let's just make sure this key works. Perfect. All right, here you go. And you can just lay that on the floor. And then here's the programmer.
Oh, shit.
And then, dang, your airbag blew, huh?
Yeah, well, it was like that already.
So turn the key to the on position so the dashboard's lit up. And then you should see your theft light somewhere.
Oh, right there on the bottom?
See it?
Yeah, bottom left.
Okay, so basically our goal is to turn that off.
All
Without
right.
that off, the car won't actually start, okay?
All right.
So go ahead and find your car. So we go manual selection, I usually do. I saw it, but I was like, I'm not going to help him. He'll find it.
Blade key?
Blade key, yeah. The other time it'll say push to start if like you're on some vehicles, yeah. And then yeah, hit yes on the bottom. And then control unit. Immobilizer. Yep. Perfect.
Blade key?
Yep.
Yes?
Yep. It's already on, so just press OK. And there's 3 keys already in the car, just press OK. If you want to add next week, press no, so we're done basically. Now if you look, that secure light should shut off, your car should start.
Shut up?
Go ahead. Turn it off and then like key out maybe, and then try again. Sometimes it takes a minute just to sink in. Yeah. Cool. So, well, kind of. So turn the key off, and then light up that dashboard again. How you had it before. Now hit the back button. Yep. Back again, and then keypad code. And then just press OK. Take that picture. That's your key code. We're all done. You want to try that keypad code out? Let's see if it works. So grab the key out of the ignition because this may not work.
Lock it in and call you.
Yeah. But now you're not going to need me if you get locked out, you know? So, yeah, lock it up. Oh, we didn't program the remote. That's fine. Okay. Let's do that. So, hop back in again.
Back in?
So, now we don't need the machine. So, you'll turn the key on and off like 7 times. And then when these lock cycle, leave it on. Do it faster, okay? Faster. All right, take the key out, and this time do it within like 10 seconds. So on, off, on, off, on, off.
Good or what?
And, oh, there we go. So, okay, so when it does that, you have to leave it in the on position. Okay?
Do it again?
Do it again, and then as soon as that lock cycle in the on position, and then press one of the buttons on the remote. Right there? I think you went past it.
Yeah, I went back.
All right, try again. Yeah. Right there. Press the button. Okay, now take it out. Damn, what the heck's going on? See if it works. You got it. Cool. That's how you can program the Ford remotes. If you ever want more remotes, you can do it like that.
Right.
Now the chip is separate, so the chip you still need the machine for.
Okay.
So to start it, you know what I mean?
I'll still call you.
Yeah. Hit or lock it first. Okay, try that door code out. I'll try to keep it off camera, you know?
What is that? Can't really see it. How does this work?
Yeah, there you go. Getting all that in?
I don't know if it works. I never used it.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Buenas tardes, una paleta, amigos.
Hola. So it might have to, because it wasn't really doing it when you were doing it. Maybe press them harder. 7. Let's try.
Oh, there you got it.
Cool?
Yeah, cool.
So yeah, just press it harder. Alrighty, we're all done.
Hey, the man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you say to all your new fans?
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Appreciate it. That's perfect, actually. Have a good day. Thanks.